Okay, and welcome to another Mickey Stocks video. This one by me, Daniel. Here I am. I'm going to talk about TradingView, why you need TradingView, why you may not want TradingView, and basically I'm going to break down all kinds of things you can use about TradingView. This is going to be a video series, not too long. We're going to cover all kinds of stuff, and I hope you guys enjoy this video series. Please let us know with feedback or anything, and let's get started. Above me, you can see TradingView. TradingView, an easy charting platform for any new or pro traders. TradingView has several options. So if you're a new trader or a beginner trader, TradingView has something for everyone. I will say that TradingView does not support options, but there are many traders who use TradingView and use the option chain on their brokerage platform, or they use the option chart on their brokerage platform. But in general, option traders like to trade the volatility in the underlying, and TradingView is great to do analysis on the underlying. So spot, aim, and execute. That's our theme for this series, and TradingView helps us do that very well. So what do we have today? TradingView is going to be our topic, why you should use it, and how you can trade with it. TradingView is a free to paid platform. There are several options on free data, on paid data, on what kind of data. But if you're starting out, TradingView is very good. You have decent free data. There are really good tools. It's browser based, and that gives a really cool kind of opportunity for new traders. You can trade it a couple ways. So you can either trade it on your platform, like on the actual platform, and you can trade it with on one window have the platform, and on another window you can have your brokerage platform. That seems to be a very popular way. Another way is that some brokers allow you, depending where you are in the world and depending on your broker allows you to directly connect to TradingView and directly sync to TradingView. That's a very interesting thing. If you so let's continue. Uh, this video series is going to cover TradingView. This is the intro video. There's going to be videos about charting, scanning, social media, markets, etc. So the intro will be the breakdown of TradingView. What is it? Charting will be about the charts, how to chart, what can you chart. Scanning will talk about how to find great trading ideas. The social media will break down how you can connect with other traders and get and share ideas. The markets available and all kinds of other interesting stuff. So for thank you. Now let's talk about the fun part, the great part. How do I actually get to TradingView? So tradingview.com, and then I'm not signed in at the moment. So this is the home page for TradingView. You can launch the chart. But before we launch the chart, let's talk about the home page. We have editor's picks for some great trading ideas. We have, all kinds of ideas here, housing bubble to gold to inflation, and there's some actually really good analysis here that if you want to learn more about economics or if you want to do all kinds of other stuff. We have market summary, which is like the different markets of the world, currently focusing on the US, and Bitcoin, which is recovering a little bit. Some of the stocks that are active gainers, um, losers, etc. You have different options here at market. You have currencies, futures, crypto, bonds, timeline for different news. Here's some more news. Basically, even at the home page, TradingView provides you a lot of value, and a lot of these news is. I'm sorry, guys. A lot of these news reports are actually better than the actual news. For example, let's take a look at this guy. This is some quality macroeconomic discussions. So, like, TradingView has become a serious tool. Prop traders, hedge fund traders, institutional traders are starting to use TradingView. Money managers, it's actually becoming a very serious tool. I will save this whole TradingView. And here we go to launch chart. For anyone who didn't realize, you go to launch chart, and here you are. You have your Apple chart. Start you out with Apple. You also have several options in charting, market, screener, community, and more. See, for business people. But in general, TradingView is a great platform. All kinds of stuff here. And this is going to be the end of the intro for this part on TradingView. But it's been a nice discussion. So, guys, this will conclude our little foray into TradingView. There'll be much more videos on how to find ideas and stuff. I just wanted to break it down pretty well. And I wanted to say to you guys that TradingView is a good tool. It's not the only tool, but it's a really good tool. And I recommend it for beginners, starting traders, or even your platform from your brokerage firm. There is no wrong or right answer to trading. It's really about what fits you, what do you like. Mickey and I personally, we use Thinkorswim. Mickey is in love with Thinkorswim. I used TradingView for a while, and I really liked it, and I recommend it to people. But thank you for watching this Mickey Stocks video. We have some things in mind for you guys, more trade breakdowns, more trade news, all kinds of other stuff. But I wanted to say that you should like, comment, and subscribe, and that I want to say that we have all kind of other content for you guys, like on the Instagram or the Facebook or on the YouTube, and in time we have things we're working on. So you'll see that soon. And thank you for watching this video. Peace out, guys.